Hi everyone, welcome to the introvert reflection once again. So in the previous video we saw in detail these two IDs, how we can use it to debug and learn the commands. Now we'll move forward. So to see the commands. Now before we move forward, somebody was asking that the help is he is not able to get the help. So if you are not finding the complete help, what you can do is you can go in and update your help through this command update and dash help, and you can update the help. So if you'll update the help, it will update your help and then you will be able to get the help. I'm not executing it because it will like take time, so you can execute it, then you will be able to see the update with the examples also. Like you see this and then you will be able to see the examples. Currently it's not downloaded here also, so that's why you're not getting it. Otherwise you just update it and then you execute this or full or online, then you will get the full help. Now we'll move forward. Now this command we executed in the previous video very frequently, get services. Now if you see the first in get service, this is the get, this is the verb, and this is the noun. So in 99% of the commands which you will see in PowerShell starts with verb, whether it is get, set, delete, remove. So all these will be verb, and then the noun. Like suppose you want to delete any, you can just write delete and then you will put the dash, and all these objects will come, all these components will come which you can search and then you can decide. So if you are not sure, like you're not able to find what to update, but you know that I need to update, you just type update and then dash, you will see all those commands and then you will be able to update it. The second is the parameter. You see we filtered the get service with a particular name, so that is the parameter. So dash name and then you can put the name, dash title, you can put the title. So this way, in general, this is the syntax of the commands. This is we saw in the previous video, get services and the name, and then we put in the name of, and that got filtered. Now this is very useful pipe command. This is very useful. This is generally useful when you want to put the output of the one command to the input. Like suppose this get services, when you fire this get service, it will pull all the collection of the services, whether running or stopped or everything. And now this pipe will um, work as a source. Now the collection from here will be fed to this output file command. And what output file command will do, it will write here, it will write the file here. So this will fetch the collection and this will write it. So we'll see it how it works in the demo. So one file is there, I am just deleting this file, and now you see I have written this get service. It will fetch all the services, and then you see if I want to filter, I can filter it with name, and any of the name which I want to filter, I can filter it. You see it filter. Or I can use the pipe command. You see I'm writing this pipe and then I can route out and then file, it will, and then I can write the file name at the location c dash, I want to do it in demo, and then service dot txt. Now you write f8, it will be right. You can export in CSV also, you can other format in XML also, you can export. You see now it lists down all the services which are running. Now if you want to output this, uh, you want to filter like all the uh, running services you want to filter. How you can do it, you can through pipe command, you can write enter like pipe and then where, and then when you write where object, It's similar to the SQL where it filters the object set, like result set it filters, similar to that. So where object, then you can write in this dash, like suppose you want to filter based on status, and then equal to what equal to um, suppose you want to filter all the running services, so you can filter that. You can control and then F8, see all the running services it fetched. If you want to fetch a stopped one, you can just stopped, and then this will filter all the stopped services. So this is also like this aware object is kind of filters your result set, and it's very handy when you want to drill down a particular issue uh, by filtering the result set and by using pipe. So this we have already covered. Now this get member uh, is like uh, see by default when you type get services, it shows only these things: what is the status and what is the name and what is the display name. But there are like there are a lot of properties which services has. So if you want to list down all those you want to see how many properties are there, so you can use this command get services and then get members, get services, and then like this get member. So get and dash member, so it will list down all the properties as a column. I'll clear the screen so that you are able to see it completely. F8. Now you see how many name properties there: required, disposed, close, continue, create, dispose. These many properties are there. These many properties are there for the get services. So for that it's very useful. Now if you're not sure, like sure of the command itself, so you can see it through get command. See, if you want to not sure how many commands are there, you just write get command, and you see all the commands which are there, all the functions which are there. Now these are the inbuilt functions and commands. You can make your own functions also, which we'll cover in later videos. So you can see how many set, get, delete, remove, everything is there, stop, set, everything is there, so that you can find here. That's all for this video. We'll continue in next one. Thank you.